Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and it's giving you an F08 fault and your error code, and you're wondering what is this error code and why is, how do I get rid of it? And if you get this error code, you might have noticed you turned it on, you started a cycle, and it seemed like it was going to work, and then all of a sudden it got this error, like several minutes in, it gave you this error. And the reason that it does that is because this is an error where it does not sense the water heating up. It takes in water and then tries to heat it up. And it gives itself a certain amount of time to heat that water up. And if it doesn't heat the water up in time, it's going to give you this error. So this could be, in rare instances, something like if it's sucking in really cold water, it just might not be able to heat it up in time. The easiest thing to check would be just to check the water that's coming in. If you're getting this in the winter and you don't usually get it, you might be just sucking in really cold water. Other than that, it gets into things that are quite a bit more complicated. It could be the heater itself that's burnt out and needs to be replaced, or it could be the wiring that's come loose to the heater, or it could be something along the controls on the control board that's failing to send electricity to the heater. And at that point, you're probably going to need to get it checked by a professional. But anyways, I hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.